18 February. A dawn like any other for the world. For Manish Media, it was a day of purpose, pride, and possibilities. At the Ashok, New Delhi, preparations were afoot for a grand celebration of Jewels of India, Bharat ki Shaan, Bharat ka Abhiman. The Manish Media team was everywhere. Like a hive of worker bees, they moved precisely and skillfully for the first event of the day. Banners were aligned. Registration desks were set up outside. Inside, mics were tested and chairs were straightened. The backdrop and the guest seats were ready. It was time to begin with India's first Diaspora Academia session, a pioneering initiative by Manish Media that would be the start of a face-to-face dialogue between the future students and the present industry leaders. Eager students began arriving, powering the venue with energy that could power a million cities. Registration began, badges collected. Young voices matched the enthusiasm of the guest speakers and discerning audience as the event began. What followed was a rare occurrence. Global achievers, industry titans, entrepreneurs, doctors, policymakers, and innovators engaged with the future leaders and change makers. The audience listened as those on the dais spoke of lived journeys, honest and unfiltered success stories. The room listened and the room responded. Hands went up, questions came in, young minds leaned forward. And somewhere between the questions and the answers, the morning became what it was meant to be. A live bridge between the present and the future. Don't take our word for it. Here's what the bright young minds had to say.
It was really nice. ये हमारे मोटिवेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट थी, हमारे गोल सेटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के लिए. All the motivational speakers told us about how AI, how we can pursue our future careers in AI, and motivated us to choose a new path for ourselves other than the traditional paths we have. So yeah, it was very fun for them this event. Okay. This seminar or this session is completely give me a lot of knowledge because I didn't know anything about this industry and academia. This session has actually helped us to know about the industry as well.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. मतलब ये इस वे में इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके उन्होंने हमको बताया कि AI के हेल्प से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, बिजनेस में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. जो मेडिसिन वाले जो सर थे उन्होंने बताया कि मेडिसिन में और जो बाकी जो मेडिकल वाला फील्ड है उसमें AI कैसे यूज़.
For the attendees too, the morning carried meaning as was reflected in the perspective which they shared with us.
Manish Media is doing a fantastic job because this is where they are going to bring the youth and the experienced ones together.
Morning is a good combination of experience and energy.
Trying to bring youngsters and these panelists together. Yes. It's give them a very big chance to where they have to go. You understand? So big thanks to Manish Media for connecting young generation right from the college. The experienced people who have experienced double than their age.
Definitely.
So that's the big challenge.
I think it's an incredible opportunity Manish Media is providing to the youngsters and also allowing us to network together. It is a phenomenal opportunity. I'm extremely grateful to Manish.
I would say they are doing a great human service to the society, and I wish them all success in their future endeavors. Thank you.
Yes, they have the ability to take the work more forward.
Very well organized and a great concept, great idea.
The morning ended with a hall full of students walking out with certificates and larger dreams than the ones they had carried in. This was just the beginning. There was more to celebrate. It was time for the evening extravaganza. Once again, a worker breeze dressed the stage, set up the registration desks, and got ready to welcome the guests. The highlight of the evening was a red carpet welcome adorned with life-size frames of 70 distinguished achievers who were to be honored as part of Jewels of India, Bharat Ki Shaan, Bharat Ka Abhiman in an evening celebration. The attendees collected their badges and made their way to the venue. As they moved purposefully, admiring the posters along the way, it was not just the carpet that was red. The faces were glowing with the crimson hues of joy, pride, and excitement as the awardees were asked to sign their standalone posters, thus leaving their imprint in the Hall of Glory and Fame. The morning was about inspiration, the evening was about honor. The photo booth was popular with families, loved ones, and awardees, all posing for a night of jubilee. The evening began with the Minister of Tourism of India, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, along with other dignitaries and Manish Media's management team, unveiling the cover of Jewels of India, Bharat Ki Shaan, Bharat Ka Abhiman, the first volume, a prestigious coffee table publication featuring those 70 distinguished leaders. Next came the inspiring speeches.
Today, this is not just an event, it's a tribute to my father's legacy. I stand here carrying his hard work, dedication, and the values that carries Manish Media for the last 26 years. With the firm support of my other brothers Abhishek and Siddharth, with all your blessings, with blessings from the family and dedication of IT. मैं ये मानता हूँ और गर्व के साथ ये कह सकता हूँ कि आज का ये कार्यक्रम भारत की अस्मिता का उत्सव। आज का ये कार्यक्रम भारत के गौरव के प्रकटीकरण का सम्मान का उत्सव और एक ऐसे समय में जब हम सब लोग एक पुस्तक के लोकार्पण के निमित्त यहाँ एकत्रित आए। इस पुस्तक का नाम अपने आप में इस कार्यक्रम की और उस पुस्तक में छपे में ऐसे सारे लोग जिनका नाम इस पुस्तक को उद्धृत होगा सम्मान के साथ से, जिनका नाम जिसका उल्लेख the inspiring stories of their incredible journey. Want to thank, want to congratulate Manish Media.
It's truly honor to stand here and on this event to celebrate Bharat Ki Shaan, Bharat Ka Abhiman.
Let me begin by congratulating Manish Media for publishing this excellent stuff of India, which we keep writing the future generations of our national work.
Before we speak about anything else, before I show you my presentation, I just want to take a moment to thank and give my heartfelt gratitude towards Manish Media and the amazing Jewels of India, Bharat Ki Shaan, for not only giving us this platform, but supporting us and remaining connected with everything. And because of this shared foundation, that has brought us together, not just as partners, but also as family.
Followed by the awards, thunderous applause, and a resounding echo of Bharat Ki Shaan, Bharat Ka Abhiman. Between the wishes and the sound bites, the honorees shared their emotions.
When we signed, we endorsed that thing.
I feel proud to be a part of this.
I think this particular program, Bharat Ki Shaan, Bharat Ka Abhiman, the basic advantage here is we meet a lot of people from different corporates, different versions.
It's very nice. I'm getting the butterflies, but I'm feeling really good and more motivated. I'm also very happy to know that I'm one of the youngest to achieve the award tonight, so it does feel really great.
This is unbelievable. What they have done is phenomenal. I have never seen like this.
Bharat